Is your leave-in conditioner finished, or you do not have money currently to buy a leave-in conditioner, or your conditioner is too expensive and you need something that is very affordable? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make easy DIY aloe vera leave-in conditioner. So what we're going to be needing is aloe vera, the plant. So I've been able to cut the edges and soak it for about 30 minutes, and then now I'll be scooping out the gel, because the gel is what we're going to be using for this leave-in conditioner. We're not going to be using the leaf, we're just going to be using the gel. So after I've been able to scoop out this gel, the next thing I'll be doing is to pour this into a bottle. Yes, after pouring this into a bottle, then I'll be adding Vaseline. Why I'm adding Vaseline is because Vaseline would help to seal in everything, because if you add just only aloe vera, it's not going to help to seal in the aloe vera effect. So add your Vaseline, whatever Vaseline you want, and then you add your hair cream. So I'm adding this Lush daily leave-in treatment. That's what I'm going to be adding, so that everything will be so it will have this kind of thickness. So this is how it looks like after I am done. So your DIY leave-in conditioner is ready. I also added a little bit of water to give the hair more moisture. Vaseline helps to seal in everything. The aloe vera helps to bring moisture to your hair and also to reduce breakage and to suit your scalp. And also the Lush hair cream would help to reduce breakage and to also moisturize your scalp. Remember that Auntie Shade reminds us that beauty wey no get care na dust go cover am. So ensure you make this leave-in conditioner and thank me later. Bye.